Hey guys, I'm Molly from All Healthcare Careers. I'm going to be performing step-by-step CNA skills to ensure your success on the CNA clinical skills portion of the exam. Before we get started, I'd like to show you this CNA practice kit that we put together for you to practice at home with family and friends. It will be linked down in the description along with a video breaking down exactly what's inside the kit. Let's get started. This skill, we are going to go over hand washing. So first what you're going to do is you're going to turn on the sink, get your hands wet, pump, 2 pumps of soap, and then you're going to want to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, making sure that you have good friction in between both hands, the palms, the backs of the hands, down to the wrists, all the way back up, going in between the fingers. You always want to wash your hands with soap and water if you've had any exposure to chemicals, any type of dirty, or if you've noticed that your hands touched any type of bodily fluids. And also, hand washing is the best way to protect the spread of germs. Making sure, lastly, you get your fingernails in between. And then rinsing all the soap off. Drying your hands completely. Turning off the sink, disposing of your paper towel, and remembering that hand washing with soap and water is always best. However, if you don't have soap and water, hand sanitizer is better, but soap and water is one of the best ways to prevent from the spread of germs and viruses. We hope you found this video helpful. For additional resources, click the playlist for more CNA skills videos, or try our 3 free-day trial that contains over 1,000 practice questions to ensure your success on the first attempt.